What happened, bro?
Boss has asked me to create 10 presentations by tomorrow. How is that possible?
It's possible, bro. Don't worry. I'll do it for you. Just under 1 hour.
It's impossible. How can you do it in under 1 hour?
It's simple. We'll use ChatGPT and other AI tools and the latest AI features in Microsoft PowerPoint to do all of this work just in 1 hour.
Instead of doing it for me, can you please teach me the same?
Absolutely, I can.
Hello everybody, this is Tushar Waqt and you are watching Be10x and I'm back again with one more crazy video. अब आपके अगर मैनेजर कॉल करे पीपीटी बनाने के लिए या कोई भी पर्सन आपको कॉल करे and कहे कि please make a PPT, do not say no because PPT making has now become much easier. All you have to understand is just using this one tool. So in this video I have brought an AI tool for you that will help you to make PPTs within seconds or within minutes, but not it will take hours of time. It is going to save your hours of time in making PPTs and understand and make the context and each and everything you can do with the help of this AI tool. AI is the new future. Do understand that AI is not going to replace the human, but a person using AI will. So without wasting enough of your time, let's get to the tool and let's see how to get this done. So I'll open the Tome AI, which is Tome AI. I'll open this and this is the AI tool which is Tome. Shape and share your ideas with AI. All I have to do is just click on it. So this is the login page. We'll come here. We'll click on this sign in button. I'll sign in with Google. So now that I have logged into the Tome app, basically this Tome AI tool will help you to create PPTs within seconds. So before going to this feature, let me give you an overview that AI is the new future model and you have to understand that how does AI works. If you are someone who wants to get adapted with the AI technology, who wants to know more about this futuristic AI method of working and who wants to do multiple tasks within a limited period of time, then AI is for you. And guess what? To give you an update and to make yourself more better in the AI thing, we are coming up with a workshop at a reasonable price. Do understand I'm not here to sell this workshop. It is for your benefits. This workshop is curated just for ₹9. It is less than the cost of a Milky Bar, I would say. Just for ₹9, you'll be able to access this workshop, this 3-hour of workshop where you will learn the AI technology. If you want to enroll for the workshop, link is there in the description below. I would highly suggest you to go and enroll for the workshop because just at ₹9, you are going to give yourself a massive update in AI technology. So now let's come back to this Tome app. Now let's do one thing. Like I have edited few already, PPTs in this thing. So let's do one thing. I'll click on this create button and after clicking on this create button, you can see that it is asking and displaying a lot of options that we can do, but for now all we'll be doing is create presentation about. We'll be clicking on this option. Now let's do a thing. Let's create a sales pitch PPT for Google. What is the presentation about? As an example, I'm choosing this prompt. This presentation is about Google. The presentation should be a sales pitch deck and should include various information including the CTA. Now let's click on generate and let's see how the PPT is coming up. Okay, now the PPT is ready. Now you can see the main title is Google, the ultimate solution for your business. And then it includes context like introduction to Google, Google's key features, Google for business, Google Analytics, Google Ads, and the call to action. If I want to change any of the things, I just have to click here and change, for example, Google Analytics. And for suppose if I want to add a few more things like I added metrics, Google for business, I want to write here Google for your business, Google's key features, introduction to Google, Google Ads. And instead of call to action, I'll write here time for an action instead of writing call to action. I'll click on continue. Now you will notice that it will automatically keep on creating the slides. So this is a general overview. We'll use one more method to understand that how to create a deep, PPT with more and more information with adding subcontext, a lot of information. So this is a general idea. So for the first layout, you can see that there are 3 to 4 options. I can choose this one. It includes a photo. I can choose this one. It includes a photo. I can choose this one. It has nothing. So basically there are multiple templates that you can choose out of this layout. So I am choosing this second one. I'm liking this. I'll click on the generate next. Like even for the second slide, the same method will be applying. Whichever layout you like the most, just click on it. So for suppose I'll go with this feature basically. I'll click here, I'll click on generate next. And we'll use the same feature for all the slides. Okay, and that is how you are going to create this PPT. I'll click on this done. Now the presentation is completed. Now let's see how does it look after it is completely done. All we have to do is just come here and click on this play button. We'll go in the first page. So this is how the PPT will look like. This is the first slide, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and the sixth one. And now your PPT is ready. Yes, you can also make some changes if you are not liking anything. For suppose if I want to change this key features of Google, I just click here. I can change any of the wordings. If I come here, if I want to change this photo, I can drag it. I can, make it here. I can delete it or I can undo it. I can add some more images by coming this add media. I can upload an image. So this is how you can make PPT within few seconds. So this was a general idea. Now, if you have an information, like let's do a thing. Now we are going to create a PPT for any marketing agency, for any company. So what we'll be doing, we'll be going to their about us section. We'll be copying their information and we'll be using that information to use in our prompt and create a best PPT. Let's do a thing. I am opening the Be10x website. I'll go to this about us section. I'll copy this entire information. I'll come to the home page of this tome. I'll click on create. I'll click on create presentation about course called Master ChatGPT and AI Tools by Be10x. And I'll also give some information. What is Be10x? I'll come here. I'll paste the information. Okay. And now there's an option here where you can select the number of pages you want for your PPT. Like I want it to be, for suppose, 10 pages. So now the information is adequate for making the PPT. I'll click on this generate. So I have copied the about us section. I have given the information. I want a course called Master ChatGPT by Be10x. So I have edited the prompt. I'll click on this generate. Now let's see how the PPT is coming out with. Now you can see that the outline is completely ready, like the introduction to Be10x, the first outline. The second is why AI essential for professionals, our vision for professionals and AI, Master ChatGPT technical details, AI tools for professionals, AI tools use cases, about the founders and next steps, join the AI revolution. So if I want to make changes in any of the titles, I just have to click there and click on the edit. I just have to edit it. Now let's click on continue. With the same method how we did for Google, we'll be applying the same method and we'll be creating the entire PPT. And within few seconds, you will be noticing that you are ready to use this PPT. So now we click on this done button. Let's see. So now we have clicked on the done button and the PPT is completely ready. So if you are a pro user, you can go on this option and click on this export to PDF option so that you can download it as a PDF version. If you are using the free version, yes, all you can do is just click on this play button, copy the link and share it. If you copy the link and share it with anyone, whenever someone open the link, they'll directly open this PPT. So this is how the final PPT is that we have made for Be10x. You can also go on this share button and you can give some access with whomever you want to give the access, or anyone with the link can play or no access. You can choose the access, link to current page and everything. And you can also create a QR code for this link. Basically, if you scan the QR code, that will take you to this website. So this is how you can make PPT in seconds just by using this website. I'll give you the link in the description below. Please check out the link, and also don't forget to check out the workshop link if you want to be an updated AI user. Thank you for watching this video. This was all about how to make PPT with the help of AI tools. I'll see you in the next video with one more amazing AI tool. Till then, stay tuned with Be10x. Bye-bye.